Hey, what is going on, guys? Editor here, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be unboxing a new welder I got. You might more so know me for maybe my gaming videos or maybe a few other of my unboxings, but we got a welder today. So my dad and me, we do machining sometimes, and well, actually, I do quite a bit now. And we got a new welder. It's a TIG welder. We have a stick welder right now, so this will do TIG and stick. For those of you who don't know, you can. There's plenty of other videos online, great videos how to TIG weld. TIG welding is basically you can bond two pieces of metal together via melting it, adding filler rod or no filler rod, and it basically melts the metal together, make it into, well, a weld. But today we're going to be unboxing this, and we got some accessories, the welder, and yeah, that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's go ahead and open the box. Alright, perfect. So we got the box done, and let's get it unboxed. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get started unboxing this. Quite a big box, so you probably can't really see me very well, but I mean the box and the item is far more important than me. So we got the wire here, can't really see anything yet. More packaging, you need to see any of that. There's plenty of packaging in here, definitely. Can't really see much of it. A little bit more foam. Lots of foam. Perfect. Alright. More packaging. Got all the cardboard. And here's the welder. I probably can't really lift it, so this is going to be a little bit hard to do. So I'm probably going to set it down on the ground and try to get this thing out. Weighs about 46 pounds, so it's quite heavy. Here is the welder. There it is. So, I got a big box in my way. Here we go. So we got the welder here. And I might make another video going into more detail about all this. But it's pretty small. It's like about 8 by 19 or 20 inches long and 13 inches tall. So it's not too big. Not too much special about this. This can be where your control goes, foot pedal, button. If you put it on your TIG torch, this is going to be your positive and your negative. And that's going to control the stuff up here. There's a lot more to go into about that. Back here you have your main power, your argon gas input, and by the way, your argon gas output is right here. And yeah, so you got your 220 volt plug. This is basically the same as almost all other welders. And on the back you also have a spot to plug in a water cooler if you do get one. I did not get one. Might get one later, who knows. Cost quite a bit of money, so yeah. But there's the welder. Yeah, like I said, about 46 pounds, so it's not super big. It's an inverter welder, so it's a lot smaller than a lot of other welders. But other than that, we can go ahead and get into the accessories, and we can look at some of those. So here's the accessory box. I only had one knife I could find, amongst others, but I got one. So let's go ahead and let's unbox this. The knife's probably a little small. Could use a bigger knife, but oh well. Maybe like a 20-inch long. Maybe a sword, actually. Should go with a sword next time. So just some tape up here, and my address. Let's hide that. Alright, so we have packing peanuts. Beautiful. Yep, we're just not going to talk about those. Yep. So I would say the most important part is the fact that there's packing peanuts. It's like extra special. But here is the stick electrode, and we did get the stick electrode with it. It's an option. It cost, I think, $60. But since we do a little bit of stick welding, good idea to get a stick welder or a stick handle. It's the electrode holder, something along those lines. All right. It's got the large DINS connectors. Yeah, it's a nice little handle though. Not a lot of pressure yet. It's a nice amount for me. I don't feel like I'm having to really squeeze it, but it feels like it's going to keep the electrode in there really good. So there's that. Alright, this looks to be the ground clamp. It is massive. It is absolutely huge. So, let me get this out here. Definitely a big ground clamp though. The ground clamp is, they definitely do not go anywhere, they're not short that at all. So if you do get this, you might think, hey, do I need to get a new ground clamp? No. This ground clamp, really well built. It's nice big ground clamp. A lot of force it takes to release it. So it's all copper. It's got a copper band through the middle of it. Don't know if you can see that. But yeah, definitely a lot of force. It's going to hold onto your table really, really well. And yeah, that's not going anywhere. So, yep. Yeah, it's got the copper band behind it. That's really good. 2 grounding surfaces. That's amazing. So we got that. We'll put this somewhere. So next, we have the gas line system. If you're argon, it's going to plug into a regulator, which will be on here, and then the other side of it will connect to the back of the welder, which I showed you earlier. And then there's a box within a box. We got some boxception going on here. Alright. There's another box in here too. Alright, so now we've turned it into 3 boxes. We got a box, and a box, so perfect. Good tape, by the way. Yeah, that's another thing. Definitely good tape. Can't confirm that. Alright, so it looks like we have a catalog here. So there's a few extra things we ordered in here, but got a catalog here, some sort of catalog education thing. Yeah, it looks like a catalog. So got a catalog now. They ship with a hat. Very nice. Hang on, I'm gonna wear this for the rest of the video. It's adjustable too, so it should fit you. Perfect. Now I got a hat for the rest of the video. All right. So next we have the torch. So this is the TIG torch. It's a 17 series air cooled. It actually did come with a back cap. Okay, so I did not know if it did, but it does, so that's good. I got an accessory package that came with a back cap with it. So, but it does come with a back cap, or a back cap. So we got that. Like I said, 17 series, and it's a 25 foot. We got the upgrade to go to 25 foot. Normally, I think it's 10 foot. Not 100% sure on that. So it looks like we have collets here. So that's probably 16th, 8th, and 3/32. So you got all the common sizes for collets. Looks like, so this is the accessories it comes with. It comes with a piece of 3/32 tungsten, might be 16th, I think it's 3/32 though. Possibly 8th actually, I'm not sure. Collet body, looks like another collet in there. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Sticker. Almost dropped everything. That was bad. But we got tungsten here. So this is the gray tungsten. I think that is something. Yeah, but I think that's definitely the collet body right there. And then there, like I said, there's a few extra accessories that I got separate. So we got collets here, wedge style collets, a short and a medium back cap. Got some, these things that go on the end of the torch. Oh yeah, and forgot to mention this. So it's got a number 8 normal cup, I think, yeah, and then there's a edge cup, which I don't know if that came with it or if I got that separate. I think that one came with it. And then we got this, which did get separate. So there's 1/8 inch, 10 1/8 inch tungstens, 2% lanthanated, 16th, and 3/32. That's separate stuff. You would not get that unless you added it to your order. And then we have a nice little kit. Looks we got some collets, we got collet bodies, edge Pyrex cups, and the normal cups. These are the stubbies. I did get the stubbies. From what I've heard, the stubbies are better, so if you are getting them, do some more research on it, but the stubbies are what a lot of people recommend. So we got a manual here for the welder right there. Let's go ahead and set this side. I'm running out of space here. Let's get that out of here. Alright, so tungsten, all that stuff. We got our stuff, and more stuff, and more stuff, and more stuff, and yeah, you get the idea. Got some tungsten, there you go, and perfect. So that's one of the boxes, and now let's get on to the next one, and the stickers, of course. Gotta have the stickers. Looks like a stickers and a maybe a brochure. I don't really know what you call that, but nice little sticker right there. All right. So we got the foot pedal. That is a lot bigger than I thought foot pedal would be. That is huge. So, huge foot pedal. I think people say it was 5.5 inches wide. Wow, that is, yeah, that's really big. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. I mean, my hand, it's normal size, but it's like, it's pretty big. So, big foot pedal, that'll be good. Good for control. And, yep, that's that. And then we have a whole lot of others. Oh, another sticker. And a, looks like another sticker. Perfect. Got a few stickers. I guess maybe they want you to put those on your water. I don't know. And then in this box, I'm not sure what we're going to have in here. Let's see. Oh, this is going to be the flow meter. That was an educated guess, and or just said on the side of the box. Okay, so it is a flow meter. It's really high quality. I'll try not to drop it here because that would probably not be good. I'm assuming it would not be good. So yeah, here's your flow meter. That's going to control your flow, and that's, yep, you got your pressure here, so it's got all that for you. Yep, and this is going to be your argon flow meter / flow meter. Yeah, it's your flow meter. So that, I'm going to put that in the box. I do not want to damage that. So there's that. I'm going to, alright. So now let's get back into some of the other things here. We got our hose here. Argon hose. And this, like we had said, this is going to go right into the bottom of the flow meter, so it'll look something like that. Alright. Also, make sure when you go to assemble this, it's all clean. Very, very clean. Extra important. So, hose there. Regulator. Alright, so ground clamp, yeah, we already did that. There's more collets. And here's our ground clamp. We already talked about this, but yeah, very nice ground clamp. Alright, so the torch. The best part of it all. Like I said, 17 series air-cooled torch. So there's the back cap it comes with. Now this is going to plug into the front of the welder, and this part is as well. So that. So a 25 foot of hose, and that's because we got the upgraded one on it. But yeah, it feels really good. Also, you can get the flexible head for it. You can get, it's like $49, and you can get that as a separate thing. You just select which torch you have and all that fun stuff. So you got the torch there. Hose feels really nice, nicer than I thought it would be. So I thought it would come with a sheath, and it might be in this box, but I'm assuming it's not. So maybe it doesn't. I'm not sure yet. You might want to look that up. I thought it did. I'm not sure though. Next we just got some filler rod. That again, got that separate. Gotta have filler rod if you're gonna TIG weld. I think we got 5 pounds of mild steel or 70S2. I'm trying to figure out how you open this. It's kind of tricky. Alright, so this I'm assuming is the 5 pounds. Probably should not keep this in the freezer. That would fall off. That would be very bad. This is the 5 pounds of 70S, or no, this is 70S6, sorry guys. 70S6 is a little more running, I believe, and then the 70S2 is a little bit more gummy. So we got aluminum here. I don't remember what aluminum this was. Got some aluminum filler rod though. In case we ever do an aluminum, I'm not sure if we will. So I think that should be all in this box. Nope, that's all in this box. So filler rod, stick electric holder, ground clamp, and it's a 10-foot ground clamp. I could not find an upgrade for it, but you can buy a extra ground clamp that has a longer hose. And it's a 600 amp, by the way, so it's a pretty beefy ground clamp. This is a 220 amp welder, and it's a 600 amp ground clamp, so ground clamp is definitely not going to be any form of shortage. But I believe that's all I have. I've yet seen anything else. I'm going to check the welder here, see if it has this sheet. Yep. So yeah. Alright, so that's all we got. Torch, extra accessories, filler rod, ground clamp, stick electric holder, foot pedal, nice foot pedal, flow meter, hose. Yeah, that's about it. I don't really see anything else. So yeah, the hat, got a nice hat now. That should be all we got. Like I said, I might post another video later of setting it up. May not, I don't know. Might be too much in a hurry to start using it, but who knows? We'll see. It might be coming out in the next few days. Who knows? But yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you all later. Bye.